In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Inkscape using some of the most important tools every beginner needs to know. Whether you want to create simple sketches or more precise vector artwork, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly and confidently. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to start with the pencil tool, which is perfect for freehand drawing. You can quickly select it by pressing the P key on your keyboard. Once selected, simply click and drag on the canvas to start drawing naturally, just like you would with a pen or pencil on paper. Now, one important setting to look at is the smoothing option in the top toolbar. If your lines look shaky or uneven, increase the smoothing value. This helps clean up your strokes and gives your lines a more polished look without much effort. Play around with this setting until your lines feel smooth and natural. Next, let's move on to the pen tool, which you can activate by pressing the B key. This tool is all about precision. Instead of drawing freely, you create paths using nodes. Click once to create a sharp corner point, or click and drag to create smooth curves using Bezier handles. These handles control the direction and shape of your curves. Keep clicking to build your shape step by step, and when you're done, press enter to finish the path. This tool is incredibly powerful once you get used to it, especially for clean, professional designs. Now that you've created some shapes, let's refine them using the node tool. You can select it by pressing N on your keyboard. Once active, click on any path you've drawn, and you'll see nodes appear. These nodes are the key points of your shape. You can click and drag them to reposition parts of your drawing or adjust the handles to change the curvature of the lines. This is where you really fine-tune your artwork and make everything look exactly how you want. Finally, let's talk about a really useful technique called clipping. Sometimes you want to hide parts of your drawing without actually deleting them. To do this, draw a shape like a rectangle over the area you want to keep visible. Then select both your drawing and the rectangle and press Ctrl+M to set the clip. Everything outside the rectangle will be hidden. If you ever want to bring everything back, just press Alt+M to release the clip and reveal your full drawing again. And that's it. You now know the essential tools to start drawing in Inkscape. With practice, you'll get faster and more precise with each tool. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.